In the bright and bustling heart of Brick City, everything was made from colorful building blocks. The roads were rainbow stripes, the houses were patchwork towers, and the air buzzed with cheerful clinks and clatters as tiny builders worked on new creations. Among the happiest builders were Max and Luna. Max had a mop of curly hair and loved lining up blocks from tallest to smallest, counting them with a thoughtful grin. Luna wore a pointy blue hat and sketched wild, wobbly designs before snapping each block into place with a flourish. Together, they made the best team in town. One sunny afternoon, as Max was counting how many red blocks fit in his hands and Luna was dreaming up a bouncy castle library, the town alarm clanged. Ding dong, ding dong. Everyone dropped their blocks and hurried to the main square, where Mayor Bluecap waved his hat frantically. Mayor Bluecap's mustache quivered as he spoke. Builder's a problem. Pixel the cat climbed the old watchtower and is stuck at the very top. The ladder broke in last night's wild storm. The townsfolk stared in shock at the towering stack of gray blocks poking into the sky. There, perched on a wobbly ledge, was Pixel, her orange tail curled like a question mark, mewing for help. Max puffed his cheeks. We'll help Pixel. We just need a ladder as tall as the tower. Luna nodded, her eyes shining. But our ladder needs to be extra strong and safe so nobody gets stuck too. Max and Luna scampered to the base of the tower with a box of bricks. Max lined up blue blocks side by side and measured carefully. 1 block, 2 blocks, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It takes 8 blocks to reach the top. Luna jotted the number in chalk. 8. Our ladder needs 2 long sides and 8 steps. She picked 2 yellow blocks for the sides. Max grinned and started snapping in bright green steps, counting out loud with each one. 1 step, 2, 3, all the way to 8. But Luna shook her head thoughtfully. What if the ladder wobbles? It needs something to stop it getting tipsy. She added 3 chunky purple blocks at the left foot, 3 orange at the right. Max wiggled the ladder. Now it stood steady and tall. Above them, Pixel peered down nervously. Luna squinted. She's on a tiny ledge. Pixel needs a rescue platform. They rummaged in their box for red blocks and built 3 neat rows of 3, a perfect platform for Pixel to wait on. Max checked his numbers. 8 steps for beams at the sides, 6 blocks for supports, 9 blocks for Pixel's rescue platform. That's a lot of blocks. The whole town watched with bated breath as Max began to climb, Luna holding the ladder firm. 1 foot, then another, up and up, until finally Max balanced on the platform beside Pixel. Pixel let out a grateful meow and nuzzled Max's nose. Gently, Max scooped her up and, with Luna cheering from below, climbed down step by careful step. Pixel darted happily into the crowd, and the townsfolk burst into cheers. Mayor Bluecap shook Max and Luna's hands. You built, you counted, you saved Pixel. Brick City is lucky to have builders like you.